What's up, everyone? This is the Real Mark Cruz, and I'm here to keep it real with you on the things that matter the most, like your money, your mind, and of course, your time. But before we get started, I always have to say I am not a financial advisor, okay? I am just some dude on the internet. Everything you see here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. All right, so now that we got that out of the way, I actually wanted to make a quick short video on one of the most common things that I get asked about in terms of the Webull app. And even if you're new or if you're a seasoned trader, you may not even know this is a thing, but there is an option in the app called stock lending. And you might be curious as to what that is and how that could benefit you or how it could work against you. In a scenario like what we're in now, like if you're in AMC or GME, it's actually best to turn it off. And I'm going to explain why. But before I do that, let me actually show you directly from Webull themselves what stock lending is. Okay, so let's pull that up right now. All right, guys, so check this out. It says, the stock lending program provides you with the opportunity to earn extra income on fully paid stocks held in your account by allowing Webull to borrow certain stocks. While your shares are on loan, you will be paid an income that is accrued daily and credited to your account on a monthly basis. Once you have participated in this program, Apex, our clearing firm, will identify fully paid stocks in your account as in demand according to the demand of the market, right? So let's get that out of the way. Okay, so what does that actually mean, right? So in the most simplest way that I could explain it, it's essentially a program that Webull has that pays you for allowing them permission to lend your stock to people who are trying to short it or do anything else with it that they currently don't have. In a scenario like, let's say, for example, with AMC, you actually don't want that to happen because you want to have access to your shares at all times, because no one knows when this is going to squeeze and you want to be prepared. So I actually wanted to show you guys how to do it, and it's extremely simple, okay? So I actually made a Webull account literally a couple months ago, literally to demonstrate, a second Webull account to demonstrate things, on my videos here. So let me use that account so you guys can see, okay? Let's pull that up. All right, guys, so if you see towards the upper right corner, do you guys see this little tiny itty bitty button that says detail? Yeah, let me actually just show you guys that right there. It's like grayed out. It's super small. And from a UI perspective, they really screwed that one up. If you ask me, they should have made the button like really bigger or, just put it somewhere else that, it could have been easier to find. Because to be quite clear with you guys, once they changed the UI on the app, a couple weeks ago, it was really hard to find this. Like it took me a long time. I'm like, yo, where's that button? So anyway, so you click on that there, detail, right? You click on that and you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. And you see right here, it says trading access, right there. You click that and you're going to see your selections right here, right? You see one towards the bottom, it says stock lending income program. You click that. And if it's on, you should be able to disable it right here, right? I turned it off on this account, but this is what it would look like if you didn't have this on. You can see it explains what the income program is. And of course they want to, show you the benefits and all that stuff. It's extra income. It's fully collateralized, blah, 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 blah. There's FAQs and disclaimers and all that stuff, right? If you had wanted to participate in it, you would click that checkbox and hit participate now. But if it's already on and you want to make sure it's turned off, like I said, once you clicked it here, you should see an option to turn it off. And that's about it. Pretty simple, right? All right. So that's what I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, share this with someone who might benefit from this information. If you'd like to get in on the trading train with us, don't forget to use my Webull link in the description below to get 2 free stocks after you deposit your first $100. With all that being said, keep your heads bright, your wallets tight, and grab your dreams like it's your right, my friends. Peace.